You can get new review gadget video in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget, necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel and press the bell button. Please like, comments and share. The link is given in the description below. Number 1. Redcat 64 Lowriderets. You may have seen many vintage cars for all moves. This car is very popular. This gadget is very interesting to look at. The color and design make everyone attractive and functional. This car is usually operated with a remote control. It can be operated very easily underneath. It is a hydraulic system to make it easier to navigate. This car can easily detect ups and down. It is more likely that the car will not break down. The wheel of the car have spelling so that 3 in no problem. It is interesting to see this car with four-wheeler moving very fast. Featuring tracks tire to help you move easily and at very fast speed. Featuring 40-inch wheels and LED light system. The height of the car is low and the weight of the car is 24 kg. The car is beautiful, made and strong with 23 metals. It can be driven in other car. It is not as useful as it is for easy driving. There is no attractive to this car for jumping and stalking movies. The Adventure car has 12 LED brightness lights so that you do not have to run or drive at night. The car attracts people of all ages and is a beautiful choice. Scale 40-inch spoke wheels. The car has been carefully crafted. Is a beautiful, attractive frame. Redcat 46 Lowriderets is very beautiful car.